guys, it's Sakina of MBS Creates, and I wanted to come on and make this video. I was driving and I had these ideas that came to me and I was like, oh, I have to make a video right now before I forget this. So here I am. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am a realtor and a social media coach, and I help businesses thrive using the power of social media. I have been an influencer for 10 plus years, making lots of money, and I still make money today, even though I don't actively create blog posts and regularly post on Instagram. I still have, brands reaching out because they want to continue to work with me because I have built that following. So today's video, I want to share with you the most important thing, I think, from my personal experience and then from what I'm consuming as far as content that's out there today. The most important thing, if you want to take yourself from being a hobbyist or just like an influencer who receives free gifts and free things to review, if you want to take yourself from being that type of influencer to being paid, then you need to be doing this one thing. Now, before I tell you what this one thing is, I need you to go ahead and click that like button, and if you have not already done so, I highly encourage you to subscribe, because I'm constantly dropping gems on how to make a business from your influence, or how to just use social media to boost your business, increase sales, increase clients and customers. So once you've done that, let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and tell you what this one thing you need to be doing is creating valuable content. I cannot tell you how important it is to bring value to your content. It's great if you just post selfies, or if you post fashion photos, but there needs to be a deeper underlying intention behind everything that you put out into the world. Even if say you're a social media influencer and your goal is just to be a comedian, you want to make one of those funny YouTube channels where they make skits, that's still valuable content. You're bringing light and joy and laughter into someone's life. And trust me, I have my favorites. I love Trey Kennedy. I love the rich black guy. Like, there's content creators who have literally built a business around being funny and being creatively funny and doing it all their own in their own way. They don't have a huge production company behind them. Maybe they do now, or they will in the future, but like, they started out just creating the content, using their basic videoing skills and tools, and have grown their followings tremendously. So I cannot preach this to you enough. Valuable content is where it's at. That is going to increase your engagement. Once your engagement goes up, that's when you're going to start getting more followers, and that's when you're going to start attracting brands and businesses that want to partner with you and pay you money to be you. So I hope this was helpful. Be sure to subscribe if you want more tips. I post 2 videos on this channel per week. And let me tell you, I'm telling you everything you need to know to start making money. It took me 2 to 3 years to start making money as an influencer. And then once I really got clear on what I was doing, I did it the best I possibly could. And I started attracting brand deals left and right. And like I said, today I still attract those brand deals and still make money from it. So I want to help you get there as well. I will talk to you later. Bye.